Man, ignore my hair. It is early. I ain't done nothing yet. We hopped in a trade already, bros. All right, we're in this long. I'll show you on the Discord. I just tried to pull this up, but I forgot I was on the wrong screen, man. I shared in the Discord that we were trading between yesterday's IB high and initial balance, expecting to push higher. We were sitting here kind of on this 50 SMA on the 45 minute between the 50 and the 15, right above initial balance and right below the initial balance high of yesterday. I said 45-minute contraction. We are waiting for a bouncing continuation, 920s, 940s. And, well, we hit that thing, but we just got in this trade, 4 micros. We bought for continuation. What did I say yesterday? What is my favorite trade? Continuation pattern. That is my favorite thing to do. Here's the 45-minute I'm dragging over just to show y'all. It's still a pre-market, so might take this little trade here, see what we got. Let's look at this 1 minute, man. We got that little pullback on the 1 minute for continuation. That's what we were going for. Pretty decent setup. I don't think I'm going to get much out of this, to be honest. Let's go ahead and hit this thing at break even. Let's see what happens. We got a pretty good entry on this, so. Not the entry I wanted. I wanted an entry down low. We didn't get it. Let's see if we can push back all the way up and make another high, man. I mean, if I can stay in this position, we come up here and break all-time highs. I'm in a position before open. What time is it? It is 7:54. It's not even 8 a.m. yet. So, I mean, 4 micros, pushing all-time highs. Imagine I pull out friggin' imagine we catch a 200-point move with 4 micros. That would be insane. That would be nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to try to hold into this and I'll add to it. See if we can push up to these highs. Try to get up here into these highs, man. We're pushing pretty nicely. We got the stochastic in alignment with us. MACD is still below, but we are pushing higher on it. I ain't got nothing else yet because the market hasn't opened. So we don't have a tick chart. We don't got nothing. Everything is frozen. All right, we're adding up. Hitting at that break even again. See if we can continue pushing. Added on that little retest right there. We got the hook on the 1 minute. Got the hook on the 1 minute. We haven't had the candle close yet. Long term still up. Let's see if we can hold that level and keep this trade at 0 risk. I think all-time highs. I don't even need all-time highs. 75 points. Target's 104. 104 is not a bad target. Let's go look to see what it is on here. Actually, 104 is yesterday's close, pretty much. 106, 104. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and share it. Hopefully we don't wick this high and maybe we can keep pushing through here. This is a beautiful trade so far. 2 beautiful ads. The setups are nice. We got a 2-wave pattern so far. A little bit iffy to keep holding, but I think we can push up to yesterday's close pretty easy from here. So I'm going to try to hold on to this. The 15-minute looks pretty good. The 45 looks pretty good. The bands are expanding on the 15-minute. 5 minutes pretty chill. We are at an extreme, but the indicators are bound indicators. You can see on the 15, everything's up in the extreme. MACD looks pretty good. We are rejecting this level a little bit. Hopefully we can hold this and keep pushing. If we do get stopped out of this, I'll look for a re-entry. So not too worried about it. Usually I'm trying to sell my trades too early, so I really wanted to hold on to this. I caught a really nice trade. I hope I'm not being too greedy here. Don't let me be too greedy. Oh. All right, we did make a relative top, and we have divergence on the 1 minute on the high. This is not turning out to be great. Should probably exit and take profit on this because I feel like we might get a deeper pullback here, but don't want to get scared out of this position. We have not got a hook on the higher time frames, only on the 1 minute so far. It's looking like we're gonna get stopped at even on this. If we do, it's okay. This was a really good trade either way. I might add to this actually on this little pullback to see if we can get a better bounce. I didn't even check news actually. Oh, we have 8:30. We have jobless oh geez. I'm in a position with 10 micros coming into jobless claims almost. We got a good push on that. That is nice. I should have entered. I probably should have added right there. I was just talking about adding, but I didn't want to bring up my average anymore. 5 minutes looking good. It's 8:06. Let's see. I entered in at 7, the first position at 7:49, 7:50. Yeah, I started the recording like right after. That's not bad. You can see the entries here. You go on the 100 tick, see it a little bit better. Entered in on this little pullback. Entered in on that one. Oh, geez. I don't know what just happened there. Those entries, though. Look at those entries. Jeez. All right, I'm a little bit weary about this because we spiked hard right there. What is that? Like 900 bucks. We're gonna take 5 out or more. I'll take 7 out. I don't like that spike, man. I don't like that spike. Since we're doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and just trail 7. We moving a little bit too quick. Actually, we're not gonna trail. We're gonna go ahead and get out of 7. If we start pushing up a little bit, if we start pushing up hard, I'll hold it. We acting a little weird, man. What is this? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of 7 here. Just gonna put it there and let it roll. I've overstayed already for a little bit, so let's get out and take some profit. All right, we took some profit on that. We're up 579 bucks. We're still in with 3 micros. I'll hold these 3. What I tell y'all, man, what kind of trade was this? What kind of trade was this? What, continuation pattern? The thing I'm good at, the only thing I know how to catch. When I do it, what happens, bro? We make it. We got the monster too. The monster helped us do it. No, I'm kidding. Water would probably be better. All right, let's get back to the trade. Let's get back to the trade. Did y'all see these entries on this 100 tick though? Look, like, brother, you cannot get it any better than that. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Take some off at the high. Boom. Not at the high. I took it off way after the high, but I'm catching these trades again, man. I'm coming back. I'm getting back in it. It took me a while, but I am getting back in it. I'm excited to get back in the XFA, bro. I've not traded in the XFA in so long. If I can keep taking these trades like this, I'll be chilling. I probably could have held those 10 micros to full TP, but honestly, it's better to take profits. Better to take profits. Don't be too greedy. At least on the combine, like usually on the combine, I'll hold. I will continue holding. Like I don't even care. But now I'm trying to trade the combine more like an XFA, so I want to take profits more instead of trying to just hold for the 1500 at like a random number. You know, like I'm not even looking for levels. I'm just holding, usually. I'm almost tempted to take this and not be too greedy. How much did we lose yesterday? What would this account balance be? We lost $100. So watch my trade for me. Oh, why did y'all not take profit for me, man? What is this? This is why I don't overstay my welcome. We'll probably look for another entry on a long if we get kicked out of this. Probably going to get kicked out of this, but it's a... See my dog back there? Look at him, bro. He's sitting in the sun. Damn, bro, you little white. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's my baby, bro. That is my baby. Let's see. We get kicked out of this yet? Nope. About to, though. We about to get kicked. I'm going to rebuy it back here at the 15 EMA down here in the 018. At the 018, man. Let's go ahead and get a screenshot of this. All right, we are out. That's how you do it. All right, let's look for a re-entry. All right, let's go ahead and join bid. I'll risk $100 on this. 3 micros. Still a little iffy. This 5-minute candle, we did reject the 15 EMA, but we don't have the hook yet. 1 minute's coming off the 50 with a really nice hook. So that's a decent setup on the 1 minute for a continuation. A little bit deeper of a pullback. Not me. I'm only in with 3, so we'll try to add into it if it starts coming our way a little bit. I'm gonna try to size up to at least 5 micros on this. Oh, the continuation setup strikes again, bro. Dude, look at these trades today, bro. Look at this. Oh, Lordy, this feels nice. It's been too long since I've traded. I was so scared I was going to get back into this and just like lose my touch with trading so bad. But I'm still in it, man. I'm still in it. This trade ain't over, though. Let's watch it. Now I got to figure out, am I going to take this up here or am I going to hold this through open to try to get through all-time highs? Or see if we're even going to continue up. I might be speaking too soon, man. I could be speaking too soon. Come on, fill me in. 2 contracts. Buy. 5 contracts. I'm moving up my stop. We're taking risk off the table here. Either we go or we don't. I'm not risking. No risk. We're already up like $500 on the day. If I have to walk away, I'm going to go ahead and set this because I want to be able to walk away from this. What is it? 950, 930 or something I need to make? All right, let's watch. Usually when I'm in a trade, the 5 minutes to decider. All right, yeah, we're out. We are out. I'm going to come back later and trade this. We could hold this level, keep pushing. I don't want to risk any more than I'm already risking. We're going to come back at market open and trade a little bit. We're up $500. Well, we caught a nice trade this morning. I'll see y'all soon. Let's get back.